You can improve your voice in Audacity with one click without putting any thoughts on it. You can see the proof for this piece of recording. It is as easy to make the sound better as clicking your mouse. Select the track and go to Tools. From Apply Macro, select the macro you want to apply. You will get 7 sound better macros with different professional EQ applied. I will apply level and improve macro. Let's play the original and the improved on and compare.
Why you should use Audacity? Audacity is a free audio recording and editing software available on Windows, Mac and Linux. It has the easiest user interface among the audio editing software. Why you should use Audacity? Audacity is a free audio recording and editing software available on Windows, Mac and Linux. It has the easiest user interface among the audio editing software. Even if you are a beginner, you can start using Audacity with a very small learning curve. You have to learn the basics of audio editing and you are good.
You can get these macros here, and you will also get instructions on how to install these in Audacity. These macros were $17 before and will get back to that price in 24 hours. This $9 offer will be only valid for the first 24 hours of publishing this video. Grab this opportunity before it goes.